like today you can only hear me, but you can see me. So like I'm gonna film. So like, look at him. He has such a big twerk. Suck on this ass. Suck on this ass. Gee. See, look at that, how I kicked it. It's actually a good kick for me, right, guys? But let's make things go back to him, okay? Already, cause it's boring seeing 2 feet already. Do your dance. Do your dance, guys. Do the dance. Quick, do the dance. I'm about to get run over by a bike. I'm about to get run over alive. Oh no, quick, truck coming through. Oh, it's gone. But look at this fart. Hey, I'm gonna kick the ball. So now we're gonna take this back to the greatest runner in second grade history. Ready, guys? For the laser eyes. Pew, pa, pew, pew, pa, pew. Okay. So like, goodbye.